Hello everybody, in this video I will show how to use the tool that I created to convert a data table in a playable Twine story. This is my dialogue table. I have designed it based on Kelly Bender's design, as he has illustrated in the GDS course. I have edited the table a bit to use the content directly in Twine. Also, I removed the separation between mission blocks that carried the mission description for an easier parsing. Instead, I split the individual mission dialogue lines, tagging them with the mission title. And with this setup, I keep each mission description in a separate table. The same applies to the description of each character appearing in the dialogue lines as an indicator of who is speaking. Okay, now let's see how to export it. My script have created this narrative menu. Here you can run build Twine. You will see the script running, then it will generate a Twine file in your drive. By clicking Open File, you'll access the Twine file to download it. At this point, you can go directly to Twine. In the library, go to Import, choose the uploaded file and open it. We can see as each line is connected all the way to the end. Then go to the story section and select your CSS file. I will use the one from my repository. From here you can publish it to the file and start using it. To set up my tool, start by downloading all the files from my repository. You'll get something similar to this, and it's important to put all the .gs and .html files inside the AppScript project. So go to Extensions, AppScript. Make sure to copy the files you find in here. The names of your columns matter. The important thing is that these names at the top match these names. If the tool panel doesn't appear, refresh the page. Okay, now let's take a look to the table structure. There must be an ID column, which basically numbers the dialogue entries. A trigger column that is mainly used to define which dialogue lines are actually choices. A character column showing which character is speaking. The actual dialogue line, and also, I added, though this is optional, a word counter to make sure I'm not exceeding the maximum number of words that I have set. Then we have the artist notes. Those appear in Twine as notes, and they are also useful later when placing characters. Then we have the designer notes. Those are also useful later for designers, but in this case they also host function for our Twine, which let us, for example, set variables or use conditions. Putting a boolean if will show or hide this line of dialogue. Finally, we have the jump to column. This is left empty when the next line is simply the one below in the table. Otherwise, it will contain the ID number of the destination line using the ID at the beginning of the table. This is useful, for instance, for choices.